What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you all for tuning in. Today, guys, it finally happened. The weather permitted itself, and we are going to head off to RGV SHOWOFF. It got canceled last week. It got moved to this Saturday. It got canceled Saturday. So now we're on Sunday, and the show's actually going through. It's at 67. It's pretty sunny outside, so it's perfect weather. Look at that, guys. A lot of you have a bunch of car models in your back seat. I have Pampers, so you got daddy duties there. But we are going to stop at Target real quick. It is a toy donation car show, so I'm going to go and pick up a toy for a boy or girl. I don't know what I'm going to get yet, so maybe something car related. Then I'm going to head over to one of the meeting spots where I'm going to meet up with the rest of the guys before heading over to the show. So I am running late, guys, to the first meetup spot, but let me just show you what I ended up getting. We did get a 5-pack of Hot Wheels right here. These things are like a childhood memory for me. I have like a box of like 1,000 of them. Hopefully these Hot Wheels can help a kid get into the car scene, so one day they can be out here, you know, just having fun like us. Shameful, guys. I was the only one they were waiting for. As soon as I got here, everybody takes off. Look at that lineup. S550s for days. Well, S197, Mike has an S197, and then we have, oh, and a Subi joining in. How I missed the car scene. It's been about 2 weeks since we actually went to a car show or a car hangout. The weather hasn't been helping and everybody's been busy lately, so I've been holding off as well. But man, it just feels different. You get like the goosebumps, you know, you get in the feeling again, having everybody around, driving around, hearing the exhaust notes. Should be a good show. There's been a lot of advertising, and there's gonna be awards as well. So, you know, when there's awards, people come out and play, and you're also helping out the community by donating a toy. We just found the parking spot. We got the whole squad. We got Chris. We got a new guy, Benjamin, all the way from Houston, Texas. We're gonna welcome him in here. We got Havoc S550, we got George, we got the Beauty, my V6 right here. We got Michael, and we got Gio as well. We got the whole squad, S197s, S550s. Mine's pretty dirty, I didn't have time to go wash it up. We got George. What's up, George?
What's going on, guys? What's going on?
What's up, Mike?
What's going on, man?
Chris. How's it going, man? Benjamin, guys, all the way from Houston. Welcome to the valley. You're gonna be staying here? You moved down permanently? All right. So hopefully we can impress them with the car scene, because I know Houston's car scene's like way, yeah, it's amazing up there. Did we all bring like something car related or? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Did you bring something car related too? Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a look around, see what's up. We still need a few more cars to show up, but it's already a heck of a turnout with the trucks. Never go wrong with one of these. Oldies but the goodies. Oh yeah, autism awareness. Appreciate that, man. Good looking out right there. Chris, you need to be this extra, Chris. Yeah. Is it wrapped?
Yeah, it's wrapped.
It's wrapped? Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice, man.
Oh, I know this color. This is a tech wrap.
Tech wrap? That's nice. Oh, it's steel one. That's badass. this. I've been reaching out to a lot of people trying to get a wicker bill for my California special spoiler. If anybody knows anybody, go ahead and let me know because I need one. Well, not need one, I want one custom for mine. This bike has a better paint job than my car. The whole line, Corvette took over. Look at that. Oh, I saw some things that we want to go see, guys. Definitely gonna have to go check them out. Dude, there's a ton of them.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's walk around. Let's go around. Look at that, dude. Dude, I've never seen one of these. Oh. Oh. My baby. Dude, oh, this thing's a beauty, man. A freaking beauty. Oh, one of my ultimate goals for this channel, guys, right here. One day. Oh, I love it. And there's another one. We got two. We got Art showing up. Now we're talking business. The big boys came out to play today. We got a Lambo, a Ferrari. My God, look at this. Another one. I've never seen one in person. Never seen an Aston Martin. Wow. Another Lambo. I need to take some applications, guy, wherever these guys are working at. Look at this.
But it was $10,000. You right now tuned in to RGV Show-Off
Wow. No, I dare you. One solo. Dale, get the quick detail on us.
Mételo.
Put it backwards, Arrow Street. That's 20 horsepower, dude.
20 horsepower, yeah.
20 horsepower mod at a car meet, bro. Right there.
¿Sí o no?
Yeah, he said yeah. Yeah.
Bueno.
Bro, really? So I remember when I did the splitter install, I did get that street arrow decal. I'm gonna go a different route. I'm not gonna install it. So Hector said he wants it for free. So what we're doing, Gio's over here trying to take it off and we're gonna install it at the car meet. So hopefully we do a pretty good job. We wanted to maybe change the words around, but we didn't really figure out words to use.
Straight or not?
You got the wallet?
Albert.
Bro, you serious?
It's crooked. Oh, no! Bring it up. No!
10 horsepower.
Okay, now it's like 5 horsepower.
You got 5 horsepower. I don't know. You got one John Chris.
Straight or no?
Mike. Oh damn, it is upstate. Came up pretty good.
Yeah.
Woo! That's it.
And this is a how-to vlog of how not to put a sticker.
we can open up our own shop, dude. Street Arrow, even though he didn't buy anything, we got you guys. We got you. We're still representing you. Not on my windshield, but on Hector's. Got a few more guys pulling up. Your girl's favorite whip. Dirty gang right here. We didn't wash no car. I didn't wash my car. Mine's pretty dirty. I was too lazy. It was busy. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I should have detailed it. Oh snap! I didn't even see this guy, dude. Look at that.
Those are detachable.
Look at the meat on this Stang, dude. I've never seen a Stang with this much meat. Not even stock. Crazy. It's pretty cool though. Oh, okay. Super snake. I've never seen this in person. With square tips, man. Shoot. I think it's pretty stock, guys. I don't know about you, but it looks stock to me. Mick is just straight chilling over there. He's looking kind of sus. Ooh, this guy's rocking the Mocha ones. Anybody else taking L? Any other sneakerheads watching my videos? I got an L on that Mocha ones as well. Let me know, guys. If you guys are sneakerheads, let me know. I brought up the Vans because I was gonna be walking up and down. Didn't want to bring out my heat. You're Darth, right? You're Darth?
Yeah.
Nah, dude. I'm only seeing, like, I only know you through Instagram. Like, I saw your car. Hey, it's Darth,
Like,
man.
he has to be around here.
Yeah, I was like, oh, okay. I think I talked to him a while back.
Yeah.
Go check out Darth 50 right here. Clean S550. This guy takes out some clean content on his photography on Instagram. Go check him out, man. I've only ever talked to him on Instagram and YouTube in the comment section, but it's the first time I've ever met him. Pretty chill guy. Go check him out, Darth 50. Just run over it. It's talking. Ooh! Hers, right? Oh, it's an EcoBoost too. See what's in the menu we got here. We got a potato with biscuit. I said biscuit, potato and brisket. What is that? Chicken? Yeah. Turkey? Chicken, turkey, brisket sandwich. What you got, Gio? Oh, I should have got that, bro.
You're gonna have that on the bloopers?
On the bloopers? I said biscuit instead of brisket. Heck yeah, man. Hopefully we can get those bags in soon, guys. But that's gonna wrap it up. We got some barbecue, had some fun. We have another meet next week. Got a wedding on Saturday, I believe, or maybe Sunday. It's another Toys for Tots donation. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. God bless.